It's really time to market. I mean, anybody can write software, anybody can move data around, but if you understand what the business use cases are around needing that data, you have an advantage. So we've been doing the same sorts of projects for 10 plus years in the industrial manufacturing space around, supply chain and sales and inventory. So we come in on day one and understand what the problems are at most of our clients. And we also understand how to structure the data and shape it for analysis. So it's really just coming in, adding value immediately versus, outsourcing to a technologist that has to learn what, manufacturing and inventory turns are. We already know what that is. We know how to get the data. We know where the data sits because we've worked with most of the ERP systems out there. So we can come in and rapidly deploy our solution and add value a lot quicker than most other people can.